Jha from Royal Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young lady. She traveled all the way from Worcestershire and she presented to me a month ago with venous lake, a dusky blue defect on the lower lip, which she had for some time, which was of course affecting her confidence. And she had explored in our website, seen some videos. She was impressed with our work and she chose to come to us for the treatment. And a month ago, 20th of March, 20th of February, we did the treatment, and it's been 30 days right on. And she's very happy with the results that she achieved. She hasn't got no scarring and things like that. We were doing daily follow-ups. Now, a couple of words about the venous lake. Venous lake is a venous defect occur normally on the lower lip, but upper lip can also be an area where you find a venous lake, sometimes very rarely on the ear as well. We treat it with laser, and generally speaking, people need just single visit to the clinic, and after the treatment that area will turn white in color, and that's an immediate reaction with the laser. And then generally skin will break down after a few days, and then that ulcer will gradually contract or become smaller in size with time passing by, and then finally it will completely heal. In her case, I think it has taken 3 weeks to heal completely, isn't it, Nicola?
Yes, yeah, about 3 weeks.
Yeah, and we do daily follow-up checks if there's any concerns and things like that. So if you're out there watching this video, if you have venous lake, contact us or contact other clinics who are providing venous lake treatment. This is a treatable condition and very successful treatment. Generally speaking, one needs a single visit to the clinic, but if the venous lake is not fully cured or fully treated, then of course you can have a second treatment with a gap of 4 to 6 weeks between the first treatment and the second treatment. And if it is not gone again after second treatment, then you need a third treatment. But we guarantee that it will go away. But if it doesn't go away, if we have treated you, then you qualify for a full refund, whatever you paid. I hope that helps. Thank you again. Take care. God bless.